This video is part of the adult education series on reading in social studies. It covers American democracy in the context of determining meanings of words and phrases. Watch the video carefully, take some notes, and be prepared to answer some questions.
Understanding context clues. In the study of language, the ability to determine the meanings of words and phrases through context clues is an essential skill, particularly for adult ed students preparing for college and careers. This skill not only enhances reading comprehension but also enriches understanding in complex subjects such as American democracy. The exploration of context clues involves analyzing the surrounding text to extract meaning, and structured analysis provides a systematic approach to this task. What are context clues? Context clues are hints or information that surround a word or phrase, helping readers infer its meaning without needing a dictionary. These clues can appear in various forms, including definitions, synonyms, antonyms, examples, and descriptions. In American democracy, understanding the specific language used in political texts, speeches, and legislation is crucial for informed citizenship. Types of context clues. Definition clues. Sometimes, a word is defined immediately after its first use. For instance, in a discussion about democracy, if the text states, "Democracy, a system of government where the citizens exercise power directly or through elected representatives," the definition helps clarify the meaning of the term. Synonym clues. Synonyms can provide meaning by offering a similar word. For example, if a passage describes a political figure as charismatic or charming and inspiring, the synonym of charming helps explain the word charismatic. Antonym clues. Antonyms can also elucidate meaning. If the text states, "Unlike autocratic regimes, which concentrate power in a single leader, democratic systems distribute power among the populace," the contrast highlights the meaning of a democratic. Example clues. Examples can help clarify a word's meaning, such as when discussing civil rights, activists fought for equality, such as the right to vote and freedom of speech. Descriptive clues. Descriptive phrases can provide context. For example, a passage might describe a grassroots movement, involving local citizens organizing to create political change, helping readers understand what a grassroots means. Structured analysis of context clues. To effectively analyze context clues, students should employ a structured approach that includes identifying the word, locate the word or phrase whose meaning is unclear. Reading surrounding sentences, examine the sentences before and after the word to gather information. Determining the type of context clue, identify which type of context clue is present, definition, synonym, antonym, example, or description. Inferring meaning, based on the clues, formulate a possible meaning for the word. Verifying, consider if the inferred meaning makes sense within the context of the passage. Sample passage for analysis. Consider the following passage related to American democracy. In a democracy, citizens possess the power to influence government decisions. This power is exercised through voting, which allows individuals to select representatives who align with their values and beliefs. Unlike authoritarian regimes, where a single ruler dictates policies, democratic systems ensure that power is decentralized, promoting participation from all sectors of society. Analysis of the sample passage. Identifying the word, the term authoritarian, may be unclear to some readers. Reading surrounding sentences, the context discusses democracy and contrasts it with a system where a single ruler dictates policies. Determining the type of context clue, the passage provides an antonym clue, contrasting democracy with authoritarianism. Inferring meaning, based on the context, authoritarian likely refers to a governance system that centralizes power and restricts citizen participation. Verifying, the inferred meaning aligns with the surrounding content, confirming that authoritarian describes a system opposed to democratic ideals. The importance of context clues in American democracy. Understanding context clues is vital not only for reading comprehension but also for engaging with the political landscape. As students analyze political texts, speeches, and historical documents, they enhance their ability to critically assess information and participate in discussions about governance, rights, and civic duties. In American democracy, where informed citizenship is foundational, the ability to decode complex language through context clues empowers individuals to make educated decisions. This skill enables students to navigate political discourse and contribute meaningfully to societal discussions. Conclusion. Mastering the use of context clues is a transformative skill for students, particularly in understanding the intricacies of American democracy. By employing structured analysis, students can extract meaning from challenging texts and engage more fully in civic life. As they prepare for the future, the ability to comprehend and critically analyze language will serve them well, fostering a more informed and active citizenry.
Let's check for understanding. Carefully read the following questions, pause the video, determine the best answer for each, and then restart the video to check your answer.
What type of context clue is used when a term is immediately followed by its meaning? A. Example clue. B. A definition clue. C. Synonym clue. D. Descriptive clue. The correct response is B. A definition clue. What role do context clues play in analyzing political texts? A. They help with pronunciation. B. They assist in critical assessment. C. They provide historical context. D. They simplify complex grammar. The correct response is B. They assist in critical assessment. Which aspect of democracy is emphasized through context clues in the sample passage? A. Economic policies. B. Political parties. C. International relations. D. Citizen participation. The correct response is D. Citizen participation. What is the ultimate goal of mastering context clues according to the conclusion? A. Improving vocabulary. B. Enhancing writing skills. C. Fostering active citizenship. D. Developing public speaking abilities. The correct response is C. Fostering active citizenship.
This has been a production of D&J Designs and MathMan 1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, click the bell. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click on the subscribe button.